Hello guys, this is Siva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to scalp on the 1 minute time frame. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to go ahead to explain how the strategy works. Then after that, I'll be explaining how to set it up. Okay, so as you can see here, we have only one indicator window right here. Alright, and then we have the main chart right here. Right now, this is how you trade with the strategy. Now you can see on the main chart we have a series of spike towards the down area. All right, and then here on the indicator window you can observe this blue line here on the indicator window. Now this blue line here, you can see that since this was spiking towards the downside, it fails to touch the 60 level here. Right, this is the 60 level and this is the 40 level, right, and this is crash 1000. Take note of that. So you can see that it was spiking, but this indicator has failed to touch the 60 level towards this area. All right, and then finally it got to the level around this area here. Right, so you can see this is where it touches the 60 level here. All right, and then now this is the whole idea. All right, it's hardly before you see this blue line touches this 60 level. All right, and whenever it touches, price tend to reverse towards the upside. All right, now this is the whole idea. All right, whenever price gets to this level, there must be a bounce towards the upside, and that's what we want to be taking advantage of. Right now, you can see that there is this touch here. All right, what you are to do whenever this touches is to wait for the crossing above the black line. All right, you can see this black line here. You wait for the crossing above the black line before you take your entry. That's how the strategy works. All right, that's the whole idea of this strategy. Now you wait for it to touch the 60 level here, and then you wait for the crossing to occur. All right, so this is where the crossing happens. You can see this is where the crossing happens, which is around this area, and then immediately it crosses, you can either wait for it to get to the overbought level here and then you exit. But if you want to play safe, you just pick 5 candles immediately you see the crossing. Right, this is the area. You pick 5 candles from this area here and then you exit the market. It's as simple as that. All right, now let me show you guys another example again. You can see there was a spike, no contact with the 60 level. All right, going, you can see, and now there was a series of spike again, and it eventually touched the 60 level, which is around this area here. Right now you wait for the crossing towards the upward side. Now this is the area where it crosses, and that is where you take your entry. You pick 5 candles, or you wait for the blue line to get to the overbought level here and then you exit. It's as simple as that. That's how the strategy works, and this strategy is very powerful if you respect the conditions. All right, before taking an entry, make sure the conditions are met. All right, and you take your entry, you are going to be safe. No spike will hit you. All right, this is how the strategy works, and it's very powerful. Okay, what I want you guys to do is make sure you back test it by yourself. All right, don't just take my words for it. I'm not the market maker. Make sure to put in the work. You back test it over 100 times towards the backside. All right, to see the past performance of the strategy, or you demonstrate it. All right, you put it into practice, demonstrate it for like a week or two to see the performance before you go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so you can see here is another example again. There was another spike, and you can see the blue line got to the 60 level. Now you don't enter immediately it gets to the 60 level. You don't take any entry. You wait for the blue line to cross above the black line here. Right, this is where it crosses, and then you pick your 5 candles, or you wait for it to get to the overbought level. Right, if you're having a big account, but if you're having a small account and you want to grow it gradually, you just pick 5 candles, you play it safe, right, till you grow the account. Okay, so make sure you play it safe with this strategy. Make sure you follow the condition. Make sure there is contact like this one here. You don't need to take entry with this kind of thing, except you see a contact, you see that the line touching the 60 level or get a little bit below it. That's when you take entry with the strategy. All right, you just wait for it to break above the black line and you take your entry. All right, so here is, let's look for another example. You can see here is another example again of how the strategy has performed in the past. You can see this is where it crosses, then you pick your 5 candles, you exit. All right, that's how it works. So you can see that's how the strategy work. All right, I don't want to make the video too long. All right, so I'm going to go ahead now to share with you the indicator setup so that you can go and test the strategy out by yourself. All right, so before I do that, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash strategy for growing as little as a $5 account. This is a VIP strategy I'm talking about. All right, and this strategy I'm talking about, even a beginner, all right, even if you're just starting today, you will be able to understand and trade with this strategy. Okay, so if you're interested, check the description of this video. You are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that's that about that. All right, now for this strategy here, you have to click on this F icon. After clicking on that, you can see that we have two indicators, right? We have the average directional movement index and the relative strength index, right? So you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your average directional movement index, all right? So these are the properties. The period is 14, the levels, you make it 60 and 40. The color is black, 3 pixel, you click on done, right? Time frame, you leave it as it is. The style, all right, under the style, you are going to make this style here, you make it the color black and 3 pixel for it. The plus di, you make it color blue, 3 pixel for it. Minus di, red color, 3 pixel for it, and you click on done, right? The next indicator we have here is the relative strength index, which we are going to be using for our levels. So you click on the main window plus icon for that one. All right, you click on the main window plus icon, then you search for your relative strength index. All right, so these are the properties. The period is 1, apply to exclude. The level, you make it 85 and 15, color red, 4 pixel, you click on done. Time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color white, 1 pixel, you click on done. So once you have set everything correctly, as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here. All right, this is a very powerful strategy. Make sure you put it into action and confirm it for yourself, right? So that's it for this one. All right, now for those of you who have watched this level and you have not yet subscribed, please make sure to do that. Turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. All right, and if you have not yet joined the Telegram channel where I share free signals on daily basis, the link is in the description of this video. Okay, make sure to click on it and join the family. Okay, and if you are watching from TikTok, you check my bio, you are going to see the Telegram link there. All right, if you click on it and it refuses to go through, all right, copy the link, paste it on your browser, click on it from there, it will go. Okay, so make sure to join the family so that you get free signals, free trading tips, and free analysis. You see how I trade live. Okay, so that's it guys, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.